Example number 8, you've been told to simplify the expression in the numerator log 625 minus log 25 plus a half log 5. Denominator, we have log 125 plus that minus that. So 625 is the same as 5 raised to power 4. 25 is the same as 5 squared. 125 is the same as 5 raised to power 3. So the first step is to factorize. You have to factorize all those numbers inside the log. So in the numerator, we'll have log 625, where the 625 we put 5 raised to power 4. Then minus log 25, where there's 25 we put 5 squared. Then plus a half log 5. We have to factorize everything. Then in the denominator, we have log, where there's 125 we put 5 cubed. Then plus log 625, we put 5 raised to power 4 minus a half log 25. So where there's 25, we put 5 squared. So we get rid of the coefficient. Remember, from laws of logarithms, the coefficients are the power. So in the numerator, in the last term, we have a half. So that a half will be a power. So we have plus log 5 raised to power half. So that a half is a power. Then in the denominator, we have log 5 cubed plus log 5 raised to power 4 minus, so plus log 5 raised to power 4 minus log 5 raised to power 2, then times a half. Remember, the coefficients are powers. Then we now simplify. If we remove log outside, where this division, where this subtraction goes to division, so where this addition goes to multiplication. So we have that. Then in the denominator, where this addition, multiplication, where the subtraction, division, if you remove the logs. So we've removed the logs outside. Signs changes according to laws of logarithms. Remember, 5 raised to power 2 times a half. 2 times a half is 1. So we remain with 5 there. So there, we can now simplify inside the brackets using laws of indices. Simplify inside the bracket using laws of indices. You start with the numerator. Same base. So same base, you add powers for multiplication, meaning plus half, then you subtract for division, minus 2. Then over the denominator, same base 5, where this multiplication we add, that is 3 plus 4, then you subtract for division, that is 1. So there we'll have, in the numerator, we'll have log 4 plus a half minus 2. We will get 4 plus a half minus 2 will be 2.5. That is 5 over 2. Then in the denominator, we will have log 5 raised to 3 plus 4 minus 1 is 6. So those powers are coefficients. So in the numerator, power 5 over 2 will be the coefficient, then log 5. Then in the denominator, 6 is the coefficient, then log 5. So log 5 is common in the numerator and denominator, so it cancels out. So log 5 cancels with log 5. We remain with 5 over 2 over 6. So that means you have 5 over 2 times 1 over 6. So 5 over 2 times 1 over 6 is 5 over 12.